Welcome to our video. Today, we are diving into the best rice cookers for sticky rice. If you're craving that perfect, restaurant-quality texture, you're in the right place. Stay tuned for an exclusive tip that'll take your cooking to the next level. Check the description for product links. Let's dive in. At number 5 is the Instant Pot 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. The Instant Pot 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines the functions of 7 different cooking tools into one compact design. Functionality: this machine can pressure cook, slow cook, make rice, steam, sauté, make yogurt, and keep food warm, all with the touch of a button. Its advanced features make it a true multitasking marvel. Rice cooking performance. One standout feature of the Instant Pot is its exceptional rice cooking ability. The pressure cooking function ensures perfectly cooked, fluffy rice every time, without the risk of burning or sticking. Ease of use. Despite its extensive capabilities, the Instant Pot is remarkably user-friendly. The intuitive control panel and pre-programmed settings take the guesswork out of cooking, while the large display provides clear feedback. Why it's great. The Instant Pot 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker is a kitchen essential that delivers unparalleled versatility and performance. Its ability to quickly and easily prepare a wide range of dishes makes it an invaluable tool for home cooks of all skill levels. At number 4 is the Zojirushi Induction Heating Rice Cooker. When it comes to cooking rice, the Zojirushi Induction Heating Rice Cooker is a true standout. This state-of-the-art appliance combines advanced technology with user-friendly features to deliver consistently excellent results, making it a must-have for any serious home cook. Induction heating technology. At the heart of the Zojirushi Induction Heating Rice Cooker is its innovative induction heating system. Unlike traditional rice cookers that rely on a heating plate, this machine uses electromagnetic induction to heat the inner cooking pan directly. This results in even heat distribution throughout the entire cooking chamber, ensuring that every grain of rice is cooked to perfection. Precise cooking settings. The Zojirushi Induction Heating Rice Cooker offers a wide range of cooking settings, allowing you to prepare a variety of rice types with precision. Whether you're making sticky sushi rice, fragrant basmati, or hearty brown rice, this machine's multiple pre-programmed settings will help you achieve the perfect texture and doneness every time. Versatile performance. In addition to its exceptional rice cooking capabilities, the Zojirushi Induction Heating Rice Cooker offers a range of other functions. It can be used to steam vegetables, make porridge, and even bake cakes, all with the touch of a button. Why it's great. The Zojirushi Induction Heating Rice Cooker is a true kitchen workhorse that delivers unparalleled performance and versatility. Its advanced induction heating technology, precise cooking settings, and user-friendly design make it an indispensable tool for anyone who takes their rice seriously. At number 3 at our list is the BLACK+DECKER Rice Cooker. The BLACK+DECKER Rice Cooker is a simple yet effective kitchen appliance that takes the guesswork out of cooking perfect rice. With its sleek design and one-touch functionality, it's an excellent choice for busy home cooks who want consistent, delicious results. Design. The BLACK+DECKER Rice Cooker boasts a compact, space-saving design that fits neatly on any kitchen counter. Its streamlined appearance features a smooth, glossy finish that complements a wide range of kitchen decors. Despite its small footprint, this rice cooker still offers a generous 6-cup capacity, making it suitable for both small and medium-sized households. Operation. One of the standout features of this rice cooker is its user-friendly, one-touch operation. Simply add your rice and water, press the button, and the appliance takes care of the rest. The automatic keep warm function ensures your rice stays at the perfect serving temperature until you're ready to enjoy it. Lid. Another notable aspect of the BLACK+DECKER rice cooker is its glass lid. This transparent design allows you to monitor the cooking process, ensuring you achieve perfectly cooked, fluffy rice every time. The lid also helps to retain heat and moisture, further enhancing the rice's texture and flavor. Why it's great. If you're in the market for a dependable rice cooker that won't break the bank, the BLACK+DECKER is a fantastic choice. Its streamlined design, one-touch functionality, and consistent results make it a kitchen essential for busy households. At number 2 is the AROMA digital rice cooker. When it comes to preparing delicious, fluffy rice at home, a quality rice cooker can make all the difference. The AROMA Housewares rice cooker is a compact and affordable option that delivers consistent results without sacrificing functionality or convenience. Capacity. This rice cooker has a 4-cup capacity, which is an ideal size for small households or individuals. Whether you're cooking for one or feeding a family, the 4-cup capacity provides just the right amount without taking up too much counter space. Functions. Beyond its basic rice cooking capabilities, the AROMA Housewares rice cooker offers some handy additional functions. It features a programmable delayed timer, allowing you to have freshly cooked rice ready when you need it. Design and usability. One of the standout features of this rice cooker is its compact, user-friendly design. The digital control panel makes it easy to select the appropriate settings, and the non-stick inner pot ensures your rice won't stick or burn. Why it's great. For the affordable price point, the AROMA Housewares rice cooker delivers impressive value. It consistently produces fluffy, well-cooked rice with minimal effort on your part. Its compact size also makes it a great option for small kitchens or taking on the go. At number 1 is the Zojirushi NSTSC10 Micom rice cooker. The Zojirushi NSTSC10 Micom rice cooker is a kitchen appliance that has earned a reputation for its ability to consistently produce perfectly cooked rice. With its advanced fuzzy logic technology and versatile cooking settings, this rice cooker is a must-have for anyone who loves rice or wants to expand their culinary horizons. Capacity. The Zojirushi NSTSC10 is available in 2 capacity options, 5.5 cups or 10 cups of cooked rice. This makes it suitable for small households or larger families. The non-stick inner cooking pan ensures easy serving and cleanup. Settings. One of the standout features of this rice cooker is its wide range of specialized cooking settings. In addition to the standard white/sushi rice, you can also cook mixed rice, porridge, sweet rice, brown rice, and even cake. There's also a quick cooking function for those nights when you're short on time. Technology. At the heart of the Zojirushi NSTSC10 is its advanced fuzzy logic technology. This microcomputer automatically adjusts the cooking time and temperature to ensure your rice turns out perfectly fluffy and tender, no matter which setting you choose. It takes all the guesswork out of rice cooking. Why it's great. If you're in the market for a reliable and versatile rice cooker, the Zojirushi NSTSC10 Micom rice cooker is an excellent choice. Its advanced technology, wide range of settings, and consistent performance make it a kitchen essential for anyone who loves perfectly cooked rice. Our recommendation. The Zojirushi NSTSC10 Micom rice cooker as our best value option and the BLACK+DECKER rice cooker as the budget-friendly alternative. For perfect sticky rice, choosing the right rice cooker is essential. Consider a model with specific features designed to handle different rice textures, ensuring consistently great results every time. By focusing on these key aspects, you can find a rice cooker that meets your needs.